Guys, good morning. The market is trying to go lower today, so the ES is make some very heavy moves to the upside, then to the downside. So we see correlation to the downside. We see the Nasdaq going down too. Okay, we see high frequency trader buying here and selling here, but we don't know what they're gonna do right now. Immediately we get a 30,000 volume candle just in the open, so this can mean something. The market is gonna go somewhere. Let's try and find out if it's gonna go lower or higher. Nasdaq had made two pushes to the downside. You see here, one big leg, second leg. So we're gonna wait and see what the market will bring us today.
Order submitted.
Try to short here. Not too much buying in this low area here. Watching the tape. Okay, let's see if the Nasdaq can continue lower. There we go. The Nasdaq is moving now.
Order submitted.
Okay, we see some selling in this low area here on the wick. In the ES. It's a huge
Order
imbalances
filled.
in the micro ES.
Order canceled.
Okay, let's see if we can get a
Order
little bit lower
filled.
from here.
Target filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we
Order
see high frequency
order
traders
filled.
pushing the market lower. See the Nasdaq taking another dive. Tape is really moving right now. We need the Nasdaq to continue lower. There we go, starting to move. We see 5 prints in the same second. 5 prints in the same second. The ES. You see those 1, 2, 3s is sales were in the same second. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same second. You see 8 in the same second. So that means that the tape is really aggressive. There you go, another high frequency trader print. We need Nasdaq to start moving.
Max delta per time, speeding.
500 buyers in the tape here. Was a big buyer here. Still holding to this trade, guys. The worst that can happen is just gonna reverse and we're gonna be break even. It's trying to reverse here. Lots of buying in the Nasdaq here, but price is not moving. Sellers coming into the Nasdaq, reversing the market.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled in the ES. Let's try and see if we can get a sellers on the micro ES. Yeah, they're pushing price. There we go. Sellers in the tape. Imbalance in the Nasdaq. more sellers in the tape. 6 in the same print in the same second. That's momentum, guys. Okay, we're gonna exit the first lot here. If we get to the target, we see another imbalance in the Nasdaq.
Target filled.
Okay, there we go. First lot out. Let's see if we can get the other one. Tape is mixed now. We see now the big sellers, the batch of sellers, guys. More high frequency traders piling in. Okay, I'm gonna try an exit, guys, here. I don't think the market
Order
wants to
filled.
go lower. See buyers in just exactly at this low area. I might be wrong, but first trade of the day was a winner. Nasdaq is trying to reverse, but we're gonna wait and see if we can make another trade. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of the video. The imbalance numbers are not included in this program. It's a different program, so just for you to watch how it works. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.